Hi everyone, for today's video, I'm going to show you on how we are going to deactivate our Facebook account. Let's get started. Firstly, we need to make sure that we do have an updated Facebook account. We can do so by going into our App Store and make sure that we do have an updated account. Once everything is set, we can go ahead and log in to our account. Once we are here, we can go ahead and click the three lines here. And right after that, we're going to click the gear icon. And once we are on this page, we can go ahead and click name and contact information. And if you notice on our screen right now, we do have an option in terms of manage account. We're going to click this. And if you notice on our screen, we do have here on account, deactivate. So we're going to click that. And basically it would prompt us to type in our password. So we're just going to type in our password then. So once done typing in our password, we're going to choose any of the following reasons why we are deactivating our account. So just like for example, I have here, I'm just going to choose then I have a privacy concern. So right after that, I'm going to click continue. So once we are here, we are reminded of the following information. So basically we can just browse and read all these information. And once everything is set, then we can go ahead and click continue. This would be the final step. You may download the files from your account if you wish to, but then technically any files that is attached or that is within your account will not be deleted because you are just having your deactivation. So once everything is set, then please do take note that you can reactivate your account at any time by logging in with your email and your password. So this time we can go ahead and click deactivate my account. So basically, that's how we are going to deactivate our Facebook account. I hope this video was helpful. Until the next one.